In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to the Azure portal and associated Azure management surfaces in a straightforward and easy-to-follow manner. Restricting access to the Azure portal is an essential security measure and can significantly minimize the risk of unauthorized access to your Azure tenant. By limiting access, you reduce the potential attack surface, ensuring that only authorized users, such as your administrators or specifically designated staff, can navigate the portal and utilize management APIs. This practice is crucial not only for security, but also for maintaining compliance with various governance standards. It enforces the principle of least privilege access and ensures that roles and duties are appropriately separated within your organization. This restriction also means that access occurs only from verified and trusted locations or devices, further enhancing your security posture. Now, let's dive into one effective method you can use to restrict access, particularly for non-administrative users within your Azure environment. This method involves making changes in Microsoft Entra ID, which many of you may still know as Azure Active Directory. The process is fairly simple, so let's break it down. First, you need to navigate to Microsoft Entra ID. Once you're inside, you will need to go to the Users section. Within this section, if you look closely, you'll find an option labeled User Settings. This area is your go-to spot for managing various access permissions for your users. What you want to focus on here is the setting called Restrict Access to Microsoft Entra Admin Center, or a similarly named option depending on updates to the interface. Let's make this part crystal clear. You'll need to set this option to Yes. By doing this, you effectively limit access specifically for non-administrator users. It's important to note that this setting alone won't prevent users who have a role in Azure AD or in the portal from accessing it entirely. Essentially, what this setting does is prevent those non-admin users from accessing the Entra Admin Center view itself. It's a useful tool for making sure that only those with administrative privileges can reach certain administrative views or settings that they might not need to see otherwise. Meanwhile, those who do not have admin rights will be kept out from administrative areas, ensuring they don't change configurations or view sensitive settings unless absolutely necessary. Remember, maintaining a robust approach to access management doesn't stop here. It's a continuous process that involves periodically reviewing user roles and access logs to ensure that your settings align with your security standards and policies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your efforts to maintain a secure and compliant Azure environment.